What makes Sun Chlorella a superfood that you absolutely need in your life? You won't believe the incredible benefits are about to be revealed. Get ready to supercharge your health. Sun Chlorella is a game changer for your health, so get ready to be amazed. Hey everyone, welcome back to RootsGuard. Today we're diving into the world of superfoods with a review of Sun Chlorella. But wait, is Sun Chlorella really the superfood it claims to be? Stick around to find out. Introducing chlorella in general can feel like unlocking a secret superhero of the wellness world. Imagine a tiny green algae packed with nutrients that can make you feel stronger and healthier. Chlorella, a single-celled green freshwater algae, has taken the wellness world by storm. To understand Sun Chlorella better, let's explore its background. Sun Chlorella has a rich history as a trusted source of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its key ingredient, chlorella, is a nutrient-dense freshwater algae known for its detoxifying properties and immune-boosting benefits. Now, let's delve into the exciting world of Sun Chlorella products. Starting with the handy tablets, these are ideal for those always on the move, providing a powerful, easy consumption of your daily wellness. Alternatively, if you enjoy incorporating supplements into your favorite smoothies, adaptable powders are the perfect choice for a simple health enhancement. Additionally, available liquid extracts offer a highly concentrated form of chlorella benefits unmatched in its potency. Looking to kickstart your immune system, clear out toxins, or get your digestion on track? Sun Chlorella is your new buddy. It's straightforward, hassle-free, and oh, so versatile. Intrigued? Want a more practical guide on how to use chlorella and insights? Stay until the end to find out where you can get this practical guide. Why choose Sun Chlorella? Whether you aim to support your immune system, enhance detoxification, or improve digestive health, chlorella stands out as your ally in achieving wellness. Chlorella is a valuable source of several nutrients, including vitamin A, zinc, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, antioxidants, copper, potassium, calcium, folic acid, B vitamins. Additionally, this green algae is an outstanding source of various B vitamins such as riboflavin, B2, thiamine, B1, and folate, B9. These essential nutrients aid in the conversion of food into energy, enhance brain function, and could help in lowering the risk of certain cancers. Chlorella is rich in complete protein, comprising 50–60% of its makeup, and including all 9 essential amino acids, making it a superb option for those on a plant-based diet or anyone needing a protein boost. Like other types of algae, chlorella also offers some omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming just 3 grams of chlorella provides 100 milligrams of omega-3. Now let's look at some health benefits of chlorella. 1. Detoxification. Every day, our bodies encounter toxins such as heavy metals found in our diet, lifestyle, and environment, including pollution. While small quantities are generally harmless, excessive exposure can lead to sickness or damage to organs. Studies indicate that chlorella can attach to these metals and help eliminate them from the body before they can be absorbed. 2. Heart health. Research has demonstrated that chlorella's nutrients are effective in reducing unhealthy cholesterol and triglycerides. These fats can accumulate in the arteries, causing heart strain. Also, chlorella contains fatty acids and minerals like potassium that can help soften blood vessels, improving their overall function and reducing blood pressure. Keeping cholesterol and blood pressure in check helps lower the risk of heart disease. 3. Reduction in chronic disease risk. The antioxidant violaxanthin in chlorella has been shown to diminish inflammation. Other antioxidants in chlorella, such as lycopene, enhance this benefit. The World Health Organization notes that chronic inflammation is a precursor to several diseases, including diabetes, heart issues, gastrointestinal conditions, and arthritis. Chlorella's blend of antioxidants, including omega-3s, vitamin C, and carotenoids like beta-carotene and lutein, also protects cells and lowers the risk of various diseases. 4. Boosting the immune system. Chlorella's antioxidants support antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-tumor activities. Clinical research has found that chlorella boosts white blood cell count, thereby enhancing the immune system and improving its ability to combat infections. 5. Respiratory benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of chlorella can be beneficial for managing respiratory ailments such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, helping to ease symptoms like coughing and wheezing. But does Sun Chlorella really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at the scientific research and customer reviews. Studies suggest that chlorella may help detoxify the body, boost energy levels, and support overall health. Consumers have reported positive effects on their skin, digestion, and immune function after incorporating Sun Chlorella into their daily routine. Don't just take our word for it. I challenge you to do your research and see it for yourself. It's amazing. Certainly, some individuals experience adverse reactions, often linked to the chlorella's origin and its quality. It is crucial to meticulously select the source and ensure the high quality of the supplement when purchasing. Sun Chlorella seems to be a beneficial health supplement, as evidenced by scientific research and a positive feedback from users. If you are interested in improving your overall health or targeting health issues, considering Sun Chlorella might be a good idea. Intrigued and want more practical guides on how to use chlorella? More insights on home recipes? See this video here on your screen. Ready to give Sun Chlorella a shot? Try it for yourself and share your feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.